College football picks right here from Joey Casano at thewinningwagers.com. We got another team for 30 teams in 30 days. I want to say this might be my 23rd team. I want to say, let's see here. We got the Georgia Bulldogs coming out of the SEC. Definitely, in my opinion, got to be one of the best teams for sure. Most definitely, they got 16 total starters coming back from a 10-4 team. Last year, Aaron Murray completed 59% of his passes for over 3,000 yards, 35 touchdowns, 14 picks. They got a running back starting in Isaiah Crowell, a sophomore, rushed for 850 yards, averaged over 4.5 yards a carry last year. This team should be very stout. They also have 9 starters coming back on defense, a squad that only allowed 277 yards a game and less than 3.5 yards a carry on the ground. I want to say maybe they allowed 18 points a game. The main thing about this Georgia squad is the schedule. It's very, very, very manageable. They avoid LSU and Alabama and Arkansas. I want to say their toughest 2 games, in my opinion, on the road are going to be at South Carolina and at Missouri in week number 2. They're probably favored. I want to say I saw it earlier against Missouri. They're about 4.5-point favorites at Missouri. They should be able to win that game. Spread, who knows? We'll have to watch Missouri. I have to do a little bit more research on them. And then they got at South Carolina. They should be in full sync by then. They always play South Carolina pretty tight. That's the only game that I see them possibly losing. Maybe Florida. They've got Tennessee at home. They've got Vandy at home. And then, maybe at Auburn. I don't see them losing that game either. They've got, like I said, 9 starters coming back on D. And out of those 11 starters this year on defense, 8 of them are seniors. 8 seniors on defense. I like this Georgia team to be lights out easily. They'll be able to move the ball, stacked on both sides of the ball. Schedule is highly in favor of them. Probably won't be many games. Except probably won't be many games that they won't be favored, except maybe at South Carolina. Probably be favored at Auburn unless something miraculous changes between them. They don't stay healthy for whatever reason. They wouldn't be favored then. Who knows? You need to get on over to the website. Sign up for the free pick. That's at thewinningwagers.com. You'll get on for the rest of the 30 teams in 30 days. You'll get on any kind of deal, special, discount, whatever it is that we're doing. You will not regret it. Look at my previous YouTube videos if you've never heard me. I definitely win more than I lose. Not saying I win every time, but I promise you will not regret being on our free pick. That is it for the Georgia Bulldogs and my 30 teams in 30 days. I want to say that's the 23rd or 24th team. And my name's Joey Casano. And that's it for all of your college football picks.